So hello fellow banknote and coin collectors, this is Glenn back with another video, and today we're just going to have a look at some new coins and banknotes I actually just purchased. So let's get into it. So the first one you'll be quite familiar with. This is actually a common Florin. So these ones, they were actually good to get because before the silver value actually went up. These coins cost about $4 to $5, but now with silver prices the way they are, silver I think is about $6.50 for these coins. So if you actually purchase them before and you sell them now, you're actually making a nice profit. But now's probably not a good time to buy them because silver price I reckon is too high considering the average historical values, which is roughly around about probably about $15 to $20. I think about 10 American dollars, so it's about 15. So that's just historical, but you know, inflation is happening, so it might not actually go back down. Okay, so here we have, another thing I forgot to say. This one's 50% silver, so it's not 92.5% like the previous ones, and this is the second year, so in 1946 they actually reduced the silver content to save on silver. Second coin we have is a Thai 5 baht. So we have Grada. So this is a Hindu deity. Oh, it's also in Buddhism. And we have 5 baht in Thai down below. And this, probably not too sure what that says, probably Thailand. This is the actual date. So I think that's 25, probably 15, no. 25 something 5 anyway. I should actually learn my Thai dates. And you can tell, see this is a 5 here, it's a 5 there, that's how you can tell it's a tau. So I need to relearn my actual Thai numerals. Oh, and this one is coin rotated, so you have to flip it over, top to bottom. And here we have a Rama the 9th. So this one was used during the 70s. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sides. Quite a nice coin. Not too expensive, probably about $1 for that one. Next one we have is a 10 marker. So this is the highest denomination used in Finland. So we've got, I've said this before, we've got marker in Finnish, marker in Sweden, and it has a plant, a bimetal coin, and oops, we have to rotate it the same we rotate Australian. Here we have some type of pheasant. So we got Suomi in Finnish and Finland in Swedish. So 1993. So that's quite a nice series actually. And these ones probably pick them up for between $2 and $5 depending on the actual condition. They've actually come on the market a lot easier to get now. The next coin we have, where's the other one? So I've got 2 here, 2 bimetal coins, so there you go. So these ones are from Iran. Obviously Iran uses the Arabic script that's adapted to Farsi or Persian. And you're probably going, that's upside down. The love heart's supposed to be like that. Look at that, love heart, beautiful. But nah, that's just a 5 in Iranian numerals. So you got 2, 5, and 0. 0 is just a dot, so that's 250 reals. And with the exchange rate, I think the exchange rate's about 30,000, so 30,000, 3,300. So this is worth less than 1 cent. But these coins, you probably won't find them. Oh no, you won't find them under Iran on eBay because of sanctions from the United States. So these ones are actually not that easy to get. And then I have a 500 reals. So the date on the 250s are 1387, and this one's 1378. Sorry, this is 1385. So there's 7 years difference. Not bad. And if we look on the reverse, we have a flower. It's probably a tulip, because tulips first come from Iran. And here we have, I think this is a, looks like a phoenix, but it's probably one of the Arabic tales. Not too sure, I need to look that up. But Iran coins are actually quite nice. And then we have, don't know why I brought two, got 2 coins from Belize. Belize is in Central America. It borders to the south, I think, no, to the north, Mexico, to the west, Guatemala, and to the south, Honduras. These ones are aluminium, 2000, 2009. Peculiar thing about these coins is that they still use the first colonial effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, so they haven't actually changed. So it's actually quite nice. Belize coins are not too easy to get. You'll be paying about $1 for these, but if you live in Belize, 5 cents. Okay, next coin I have is South Africa, and this one is a silver coin. So you got South Africa and Afrikaans, so Afrikaans is closely related, well, it's Dutch anyway. South Africa in English, and 10 cent. So between 1960 and 64 they issued silver coins, and in 65 they changed over to copper and nickel. This one had the same value of Australia, so it's 1 shilling equal 10 cents. And here we have Unity of Strength and Drag Mag in Afrikaans. And here we have, I forget this guy's name, but he's one of the founders of Cape Town, I believe. And these coins, you're probably paying about $10 to $20 each in this condition. It's very fine, nice condition. I'd say probably VF, very fine. Even though it does have some discoloration in the back. And then we have some other coins. So let's open these up. These are not really bad. As you can see, the guy likes sticky tape. This is Estonian sticky tape. Love red. It's the color of the enemy's blood. I'm just making shit up. Estonians seem like nice people. I've interacted with them. They're pretty sarcastic. But they like it when I pick on the Swedish. For some reason. And they love the Finns. Because Estonian and Finnish closely related languages, and apparently Northern Estonian is intelligible to the Finns, but Southern Estonian is not. And what do we have? So the first coin I have, I didn't even remember. Brazil, 1000 Reis, 1928. So this is when they used the coinage that was developed in Portugal, the Reis. And oops, here we have Brasilia, probably. So it's a nice coin, milled. So 1944 from memory, they actually changed to Cruzeiro. So it's a nice coin. Then we have some, we have a Slovak, is it Slovak? Yeah, one korun, AS Slovakia, 1941, the Second World War. And then we have a 50 Hererov. Oh, so these ones you'll probably be paying a few dollars each. I think I paid a few dollars for these. So 50. Then we have a Denmark aluminium bronze krone, 1946. So just after the Second World War. Christian the 10th. And if I can open it up. Okay, I'll just pause the video and I'll get all these coins out. Okay, so I've removed the coins. So I actually have 4 Dutch 1 krona. So we got the 2 different versions. So this one is from 1926, so 20s and 30s, 1947, 1946. And this one is dated 1936. So they're actually quite nice coins. I do like those coins. This one with the large crown is awesome. It's actually better than this one. So it's got wheat and some other plant. But, you know, and the monarchy is the same, Christian the 10th. So it's quite nice. I do like those ones. Okay, then I'll look at the German coins next. We have coins from the Sieg Heil, Nazi Germany, so 10 Reichspfennig, so 1938, and this one's J. So these ones were minted from 1936 to 39. And these ones you'll probably be paying between $5 and $10 per coin. Oh, also the value of these ones is also probably $5 I'd say per coin, depending on the year. Some years have low mintages. Then we have a more expensive coin. So these are 1 Reichsmarks. So you have 1934 and 37. So these ones are minted from 1936 to 39. They're made of nickel. And they actually weren't hoarded because they're just base metal nickel. So these are actually more, probably about the same price as a 2 Reichsmarks, probably even more. They usually cost about $25 roughly. This 1937 is an A mint mark, so it's probably the highest minted. The F mint mark will probably cost a bit more, probably about $30. So these are not cheap. So, but people just like to collect the items from Nazi Germany, so they're actually pretty popular. And here we have two coins are actually not that easy to actually get. So here we have so these are 2 Reichspfennigs, D mint mark, and if we have a look, they're both 1947, a little bit damaged, but you can see these ones that don't have a swastika. So here I have another version. So this has the swastika. So after the Second World War, they actually removed the swastika from these coins and just had the tail. And here I have two coins. So this is both Reichspfennigs, so 1947, 41. As you can see, the eagle is actually different. So that's how they denazified Germany. And then we have a Polish 1917, so it's an independent coin, Pfennigal, after Pfennig of Germany. And I believe this is an iron coin. I need to look that up again. After this video, I'll be putting these catalogs into Numista, so remember what coins I got. And then we have these coins here. So here we have one from the Czechoslovakia, 1922, and Slovak, so 1939. So one of the first coins of independent Slovakia. And as you can see, this shield here is actually on the, so it's a Czech lion. So that's the Slovak shield. That's what the coat of arms was like. So I've got the 10, I've got the 20, I've got 2 50s, another 20, and I have and they're actually a bit smaller than what I thought. So as you can see, we've got aluminium, bronze, aluminium, copper, nickel. So what's the date on this one? This one is 43. And that one is dated 41. And Czechoslovakia was actually a puppet country of Germany. So it was quite independent, had its own army and all that. And the last, well, not the last coin, but this one is a 50 filler from Hungary. This is a 1926. So these ones probably cost, for Hungary, probably a few dollars, $3 or $4 for this. For these ones, you're probably looking at probably about $5 per coin. These ones are not easy to get, and also not cheap. So, and the last lot I've got quite a few of these Bahraini. So this is 100 frills. So you got 100. Then we got another one. I don't know. I just bid on whatever. And whatever I get, I'll put in a price. And then whatever I get. So I actually got, how many I got? 3 or 4? Got 4. 2009. So it's too many. I'm going to have to get rid of some. But as you can see there's a difference. We've got Kingdom of Bahrain. Early one says State of Bahrain. And the coat of arms and that's a bit different as well. And those ones you're probably paying $1 each. Ooh, another Thai coin. So this one's probably worth about $1. It's one I don't have. A 1 baht. So 2514, something like that anyway. So then over, don't know why I got this penny, 50 cents, probably a bit overpriced. It doesn't actually want to show you the penny, it's too dark, damn. Well, that's right, it's got a lamination peel on it, so that's a good thing to get. Another coin, so this one you're probably paying about $1 or $2 for. It's a €1 from the Netherlands. So 2000, quite a common coin. Another one I've got 92 500 lira from Italy, obviously a bit circulated. And that one you're probably paying $2 to $3. Here we go, South Africa. This is the bimetal 5 rand. Has an exchange rate of 50 cents. You can be paying a few dollars if you actually wanted to buy one. And the thing about these coins is that every year they produce different languages on them. So this has got Afrika Dzonga in South Africa in English. Don't know what language that is. I'll need to look it up. Probably could be Venda, could be Zulu, could be Tswana. Don't know. Need to look it up. So you can't remember everything of this, especially the coins of South Africa, because you know they change. And the next coin is a Kenya. So this one you're probably paying probably $3 or $4. A 20 shillings has exchange rate of about 20 cents. So this is the 210 before they actually change over to the new coins. Here we have Kenyatta. So he used to be on the coins until 1978. Then they took him off. And he was put back on in 2005. But now the new coins have animals on them. Another coin, Philippines, 10 peso off the previous series. Probably paying $3 or $4 for a good coin. It's worth about 20 cents exchange rate. But, you know, I don't like this side. So I don't even know why I got this coin. I've already got it. And another 952 penny. What did I get that one for? No idea. 50 cents. Anyway, that's my new pickups. Quite a long video, but I'm quite actually thrilled with these Slovakian coins. These are the highlight of my purchase. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching my video and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.